Hey dolls, welcome to Nailed It. My name is Lizy G, and today I'm going to show you these two boxes, not one, but two, that I got from Modelones. Like you read it on the title, this is the Poly Nail Extension Gel Kit, and it comes in this big box just because you have everything that you need to make these beautiful extensions. And I'm going to show you the back of the box, and we have some directions and storage warning and the social media so you can contact them or follow them. And when you open the box, it's gonna look like this. By the way, those two boxes are totally different. I mean, they look the same, but the gels are totally different. So I'm gonna link both of them down below so you can get yours if you want to. It looks really organized. I love this idea, so you can carry it with you, or actually you can give this as a gift. Holidays are coming and you will need some good stuff to give to your relatives or your friends. And I'm gonna show you everything, and first we're gonna start with the Modelones 100 and 180 grit file, and it looks like this. It comes with a little baggie. We have the plastic form system, dual forms. They look like this. It's a 120 piece set. I mean box. We have 120 forms here. These are reusable, so I'm gonna show you later how to use them, obviously. And then we have the tip right here, and the size is right on the tip. Next we have the brush, and it's double-ended because we have the brush on one side and the spatula in the other side, so we can pick up the product from the tubes. And like I said before, with the lids, the colors that they choose for the base and the top coat are the gold and the silver. The base is the silver and the top coat will be the golden one. They look like this. They have the ingredients on the back, which I really appreciate. And then we have the slip solution, which is kind of open. As you can see, it's wet right there. Let me see if it is open. Well, it's sealed, but I don't know why. Look, it's leaking a little bit. And then we have some decoration, glitter, and some rhinestones. And finally we have the gels. They are 6 different colors, and here are the numbers. I'm gonna swatch them for you. Okay, as you can see, they are completely sealed, which I really like. I don't know what happened with the slip solution. It's sealed. It's really sealed, but I don't know why it's leaking or how is it leaking. But anyways, this is the number 73. Ooh, pretty. I'm just gonna grab my brush and press it down a little bit so we can see it better. Look at that, the little butterflies, iridescent butterflies. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. So pretty. Can you see? Now we have the number 74. This one has stars on it. Oh, I love it. Next we have the number 74. It's like a surprise. Oh yes, these are hearts. So cute. Now we're gonna swatch the 76. What is this? I think, oh yeah, they're hexagons. Hexagons? They're 6 sides, I guess. They look like they are. Yes, you can see them right there. Look at the colors. OMG, I love these. Now we have 77. And these are... what are those? We have squares, everyone. They look like squares. Yes, they are. Lastly, we have 144. And these are all so cute. These are moons. So pretty. These are so pretty. I can't wait to try them on my nails. Alright, dolls. We're gonna do the application process because my nails are screaming for help. And the first step that I'm gonna do is just push back the cuticle really carefully and get rid of the dead skin that we have underneath. I don't know if you remember or if you didn't see, I show you guys on my Instagram that I have a little accident on this nail, and that's why it looks so wasted and ugly. It's growing, it's growing. She's taking her time, but she's getting there. Now I'm taking the Modelones 100 and 180 grit file, and I'm going to assume that this side is the 100 and this one is the 180. The higher the number, the softest the area will be. So I'm going to file my nail. We don't want to overfile. This is going to help just with the adhesion of the product. So it's really important that you don't skip this step. I'm gonna do the same thing for the rest. And we're gonna need some magic. Alrighty, nails are prepped and we got rid of the length. They're ready now for our base coat, which is the silver top. And we're gonna do just a thin layer of this one all over the nail and cure it for 30 seconds. Okay, now the forms. I'm gonna give you a little tip for this. Whenever you're choosing your size, this looks pretty good to me. It has to be a little tiny bit bigger than your nail, just because if you choose one size down, for example, this one is a 7 and the one that I choose is the number 6. So if I choose a number 7, if I push it down, it looks perfect. It looks like a tip for my nail. It's totally perfect. But if you can see, if I just lay the tip like this, I have to push it down to make it perfect. But if I just lay it like this, it's a little small. We don't want to press it down all the way because all the product, it's gonna squeeze out and it's gonna be just a little left on that nail bed. And that is gonna cause that it's gonna be so weak in this area and it's gonna break like right away, right after you take it out of the lamp, boom, gone. So it's better if you choose a little bit bigger just to give her space to the poly, to give amount of space to build the apex like so. We're gonna have some apex in there and we're not gonna press it down that hard, so it's gonna have a really nice apex here and we're not gonna be able to push it, so that way it's not gonna squeeze out from the sides either. So that's a good tip that I learned with practice, because I'm not a professional on this on this material. So anyways, I'm gonna choose mine and I'll be right back. Now that we changed the background so we can see a little bit better, I have the chosen ones right here, and then I'm going to open my slip solution and I'm going to open with the spatula. There you go. And pour a little bit right here. Okay, I'm gonna take the number 73. These are the butterflies. And we're gonna squeeze some product inside. Like so. But I have another tip for you. I'm going to take just a tiny little bead with the spatula. Just a tiny bit like this. And I'm going to place it on my nail. And then I'm going to do the cuticle area with just the brush on my natural nail. Why? Because it's going to help whenever I put the tip. Let me grab it. Okay. Whenever I put the tip, it's gonna help me not to go all the way to the cuticle. I can just put it 2 millimeters down, because if I squeeze way too much, the product is gonna go all over the place. So that is going to help me to get really close to the cuticle without making a mess. All right, now that we have that, you can flash cure it for 10 seconds so we can make sure that it's not gonna move around. And now we can focus just on the form. It's a little sticky, but with the slip solution, it's gonna help us a lot. I'm going to push down the product. Alrighty, now that we have this, and I have slip solution all over my nails and my hands, I'm just going to place it like this. Let me show you sideways. Just like this, and then push it down. Just a little bit. It's not gonna go all the way down because we need that apex, remember? So I'm just going to help with the finger, and then with my brush, I'm going to clean this area right here. And right after, you can hold it and put it close to the lamp for 10 seconds, and then you can release. And then you can place it upside down so we can cure all the way through the bottom also. Okie dokie, now that it's completely cured, we're just going to grab the tip and rock it one side to the other, one side to the other. Slowly take your time and lift it. This doesn't hurt at all. Don't be scared, it doesn't hurt. Wow, so beautiful. I'm in love. Let's do the next. Let's do the next. Alrighty dolls, we have the white background again, and they look like this for now. So I'm just gonna take the file on the 100 grit side, and I'm just going to file and shape these nails. Going to cut them to this length so they all can look like this one. Let's do the top coat now, this one. And we are going to just do one layer, or you can use two if you want to, so you can make it extra shiny. Look how beautiful. And another tip that I can give you, put the top coat also on the back, a really thin layer. This top coat is really thick. It's gonna be really shiny. Wow, this is so pretty. Alrighty dolls, I got all my blinged out. Look at these nails. I am in love. I think they turned out so beautiful. Thank you Modelones for this beautiful kit. I'm going to show you the other one in another video because this one is way too long, so I don't want to bore you guys with a lot of content, but wait for the other one. It's gonna come really soon. Remember, all the info is in the description box below, so you can check it out. This is totally worth it. It's like, oh my gosh, I can't stop looking at them. Thank you so much for being here. I see you on the next one. But for now, I send you all a big kiss. Mwah.